How to recover blockchain account password. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create Login Delete, and let's get started. Open up any of your web browser and at the search bar type in blockchain.com. You will land into this page. Click on to login on your top right. At this page, enter your email or wallet ID and click on continue. You will need to verify your device. Open a new tab and open your email. You will receive an email from blockchain.com. At this page, click on Login through your email. Since we don't know our password, let's click on Need some help. Then under here, you will see two options. If you have forgotten your password, click on Recover Funds. But if you have lost your two-factor authentication device, then click on Reset to FA. Now for this video, let's go to Forgot Your Password and click on Recover Funds. Enter your password and make sure you enter two-word phrase lowercase with space between each word to recover your funds and transactions. Once you have done that, click on continue. And just like so, this is how you recover your account. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching.